Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the ringer speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE model. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, remove the SIM tray and then proceed to remove the back cover. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. Use a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and back cover. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut through the adhesive around the edges carefully. Please note that this process takes time and needs patience. Next, remove the logic board cover with the wireless pad by undoing 9 screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the wireless pad from the bottom. And then carefully lift the cover using a pry tool and fold it to 120-degree angle to access the connector plugs. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the wireless pad plug to release the board cover with the pad. Next, take out the not working speaker from the body. First, take out the speaker cover by undoing 6 screws. Next, place and secure the new speaker cover in the body and then fasten 6 screws. Next, secure the cover with the wireless pad. First, secure the wireless pad plug to the logic board and then fasten the battery plug. Also, make sure the wireless pad is securely placed on the body. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.